Yo, so this is going to be a quick little rundown video on how I installed these two switches, which you see right here. The air on board switches. Boop. Boop. Yep, those two right there. I've seen a lot of questions on the Nissan forums regarding it, like how they're wired. A lot of people all of a sudden now are realizing how good these are, aesthetic-wise. I mean, it matches the factory ones pretty good. And if you see, let's see, is there any other ones where it's like a light when it's on? I don't think so. No, just this one. But this light's amber. These ones are green on the bottom. But I mean, it doesn't really matter. They literally look just like the factory switches. And it's pretty awesome. You can get them in multiple different configurations. For this one, I had the light bar when I had it on the roof. It's not there now, so I'll have to do something with this. It's just kind of sitting there now. But the spotlight one is the two lights I have in the front, so I turn that on. I don't know if you can kind of see over there. The lights are on, the lights are off. It's like very fast push on off activation. And then I have this. I still got to move that switch panel up to here with some bullet point mounting solution stuff. Ultimately, like I said, I want to put it up here. But yeah, that's another video, another time, whatever. I'm just going to show you guys how to do this now. So for the removal of this whole panel here, it's pretty simple. It's going to be that one screw that's down by the hood latch. It's like right here. I don't know if you can see it that well. And then what I found easiest is to just pry this weather stripping off right here, and it can get you access from behind here. You can pop it out with your hands. Basically just pop all this off, and this will give you access to behind here. And then I'll show you guys briefly on how this is wired, because I don't really want to unscrew it, because you can actually unscrew each one of these little housings on the backside. You'll see in a second. So like I said, this is going to allow you access behind here with your fingers. You're just going to kind of pry that off. It's pretty straightforward. And as you can see, all the switches are right here on the backside. All right, so the green on this is going to be the backlighting. So I jumped into, I don't know if you guys can see it, I just use like a T-tap on this blue wire. And I believe that is on the descent control or some shit on the 22 Frontier. The hill descent control stuff. It's going to be a blue wire on that. That's going to be what's going to be giving you the accessory power for the backlighting, which is going to be on the green wire of the two ear on board switches here. So then from here, obviously, I think the red, I'm not 100% sure. I think the blue is going to be your 12 volt supply. And the red and black, I think, are like control wires. I don't know. You'd have to look up the wiring schematics, but I just am trying to show you guys where to grab the power for your backlighting. And then like the other three are just going to be like your normal switch. Basically, you're going to have your power in, your toggle, and your ground. And then this green wire, like I said, this is going to be your backlighting wire. And that's it. It's that simple. And also, if you guys want, I don't know if you can see down over right here, there's going to be these screws in this right here. There's screws in each row of these. So you can actually take out all your switches and you can reorganize them if you want. But in order to do that, you would have to start slicing apart some of this down here, because you're not going to have enough slack to spread them out evenly. But yeah, like I said, the green is going to go to the blue of the hill descent to grab your backlighting power, and that's it.